The two-seater electric bike equipped with a 48V 20AH, 960WH, removable battery and a powerful 1300W peak motor has emerged as a standout option in the expanding market of electric bicycles. Designed for both comfort and performance, this bike has a unique appeal, particularly for couples or those who simply require extra space and comfort during their rides. One of the first things that strikes you about this electric bike is its robust design. The frame is built from high-quality materials, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of daily use, whether for commuting or leisurely rides. The bike's aesthetic is modern and sleek, making it attractive for a wide range of users. The dual-seat configuration is particularly noteworthy, offering ample space for two riders without sacrificing comfort. The padded seats are ergonomically designed, allowing for long rides without discomfort, making it perfect for weekend getaways or short commutes. Performance-wise, the 1300W peak motor is a game-changer. It provides a significant boost, allowing the bike to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, depending on terrain and rider weight. This power is not just about speed, it translates into impressive acceleration that feels smooth and controlled. Whether you're tackling steep hills or navigating through urban landscapes, this motor provides a supportive ride that requires minimal effort from the rider. The 5 levels of pedal assist allow users to customize their experience based on their fitness levels and the terrain they are navigating, providing flexibility that few other electric bikes can match. Another standout feature is the 48V 20AH removable battery. With a capacity of 960WH, this battery offers an impressive range of about 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on the level of assist used and the terrain. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want to use it for daily commuting or longer excursions without the anxiety of running out of power. The battery is easy to remove, allowing for convenient charging at home or in the office. This thoughtful design is crucial for urban riders who may not always have access to charging stations. The bike also excels in terms of safety features. It comes with front and rear disc brakes, which provide reliable stopping power even in wet conditions. The inclusion of bright LED lights ensures visibility during night rides, enhancing safety for both riders and pedestrians. Moreover, the bike is equipped with a sturdy kickstand and a robust rear rack, allowing for the easy transport of additional items, whether it's groceries or a backpack. In terms of handling, the bike's wide tires contribute to a stable and comfortable riding experience. They provide excellent traction, whether navigating city streets or tackling off-road trails, further enhancing the bike's versatility. The adjustable front suspension absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a smooth ride even over uneven surfaces. This level of comfort is particularly important for those who may not be used to riding bikes regularly, making it an excellent choice for casual riders or those who might be intimidated by traditional bicycles. The user interface and controls on the bike are intuitive and easy to use. The LCD display provides essential information such as speed, battery life, distance traveled, and pedal assist level, allowing riders to keep track of their performance without distraction. The controls are conveniently placed, allowing for easy adjustments while riding. This is a thoughtful feature that enhances the overall user experience, especially during longer rides when quick adjustments may be necessary. One small drawback that some users might encounter is the assembly process. While the bike generally comes pre-assembled to a significant degree, some users may find that they need to fine-tune certain components, such as the handlebars or pedals. However, the included manual provides clear instructions, making this a manageable task for most people. In conclusion, the two-seater electric bike with a 48V 20AH removable battery and a 1300W peak motor is an exceptional option for those seeking a blend of comfort, performance, and versatility. Its powerful motor, long-lasting battery, and thoughtful safety features make it a reliable choice for both short commutes and longer adventures. The comfortable seating.